In this video, how to make thumbnail on Canva for YouTube. I will show you step by step how to create a YouTube thumbnail using Canva. First, go to the Canva website or open the Canva app on your phone. Log into your account using your email and password. If you do not have an account yet, click Sign Up to create one. After logging in, go to the search bar on the homepage. Type YouTube thumbnail and press Enter. Click the YouTube thumbnail format to start designing. Now choose a template that matches your video style. Click the template to open the design editor. Click on the text in the template to edit the title. Type a short and eye-catching title. Use large text that is easy to read. Now click the images in the template to replace them. Click Uploads to upload an image from your device. Drag the image into the design. Adjust the image size by dragging the edges. You can also change colors by clicking the design elements. Use strong colors to attract more attention. Click on elements to add shapes, icons, or effects. Avoid adding too much text to keep the thumbnail clean. Review the design to make sure everything is visible. After that, click the Share button in the top right corner. Click Download to save the thumbnail. Choose PNG format for better image quality. Click Download to save the file to your device. Now your thumbnail is ready to use on YouTube.